How to fix quick settings not working on Windows 11. 1. Run the system file checker as admin. 2. Use the DISM tool. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health/source wimx sources install.wim1/limit access 3. Re-register the Action Center via PowerShell. Command getapps package %apps package disable development mode register $__install location \apps manifest.xml verbose. 4. Set 0 to no control panel word at @key_current_user \software \Microsoft \Windows \current version \policies \explorer in registry editor. Restart your computer. 5. Perform a clean boot. 6. Perform a system restore.